Welcome to the Credit Game, guys. Today we're going to talk about a topic that is very dear to my heart because of how much I love you guys and want to help you. Okay, where I see the struggle in credit and finances, I want to say that it's not your fault first. Okay, you weren't taught in schools. They didn't teach this at home. This was not a topic that was very talked about. No school ever taught credit or finances. So that's why I came out with the Credit Game, right? But I want to share with you a topic today, and it's called 7 years of credit knowledge in 1 hour. 7 years of knowledge in 1 hour. I'm going to keep this video short, sweet, and to the point. If you guys want to know how I raised my credit score from 505 to 827 so fast, and how I became a multimillionaire before the age of 33, then I want you to pay attention to what I'm saying right now. Everything I tell you is not to brag, it's to tell you that you can do the exact same thing, because success leaves clues. I don't care how you slice it, dice it, half dozen of one, 6 dozen of the other. I don't care how you want to phrase it, quote it, or paraphrase it. Listen, if you want 7 years of credit knowledge in how to raise your credit score, okay, how do we remove the negatives? The things that are holding you guys back from doing everything you want in life are the negatives. The things that are not supposed to be on your credit report, okay? Charge-offs, collections, late payments. How do we get rid of those, okay? How do we make more money? How in a down economy do you make 6, 7, 8 figures and capitalize on everything that's going on in the world right now? I'm going to show you guys in 1 hour, and I implore you to be freaking serious about this. Do not join my free class if you are not serious about your credit, your finances, and your future. Okay, I'm going to tell you that right now. Do not even come on this class. It's free, absolutely free. 1 hour. I'll show you 7 years of credit knowledge. I'm going to go through topics like how to remove negatives off your credit report fast. I'm going to show you guys what coaching and mentorship has done for me. I'm going to show you how to remove judgments, foreclosures, repos, late payments off your credit report. I'm going to show you about trade lines. I'm going to show you about how to actually scale Facebook ads. I'm going to share with you how to actually build a course. I'm going to share with you actually how to build and scale your YouTube channel. I can do this all in 1 hour. 7 years I've combined into 1 hour of time. If you guys want to know how to do this, then just show up, right? Are you going to put in 70% of the work and be a beast, and then 30% you're going to be a gazelle and run? Okay, how could you be in the 1%, guys? You want to be in the 1% and live a 1% life? Then you got to put in the work. I'm asking you to show up for 1 hour. If it doesn't make sense, hang up on yourself. I'll hang up on you if it doesn't make sense. That's how committed I know that what I can show you 7 years in 1 hour will change your life. But you got to take the first step. And the first step is clicking the link so you can get in and watch the training that everybody has been waiting for in 2020. In fact, we've been putting this program together for 6 months before even COVID was a thing. This is the first ever. This is the best training I've ever done to date. It is this Friday. I want you to mark it in your calendars. Put it in your Google reminders. Put it in your Siri. If you have iPhone, hey Siri, remind me at 7:30 p.m. on Monday, 7:30 p.m. this Friday. We're doing it at 8 p.m. I want you guys to be there. 8 p.m. this coming Friday. Okay? We have 500 seats available. They are almost gone already because it's that anticipated. I believe there's only like 6 or 7 seats left at this moment for this training. Okay? 493 are already taken. Okay? I want you to be one of them. When you see this video, click the link so you can be one of those 7 or 8 people that are left. Don't miss an opportunity. Right? What most people do is they miss an opportunity because they just say, you know what, I don't know, I'm too good, I've got an ego, and I don't need any help. And ego crushes people. because they believe they can do everything themselves. The problem is you can, but you're going to spend years what I can show you in 1 hour. So if you want to learn how to do it in a 1% time, which is how you get to the 1%, then just click the link below. Get in, get registered. I want you guys Friday. I want to see you Friday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in our free class, because I'm going to show you everything you need to know about credit, business credit, finances. Literally, I'm going through it all to show you guys what I did in the last 7 years. And what I've done in the last 7 years is nothing to brag about, but I'm going to tell you something. In most people's standards, doing 8 figures in a down economy is pretty damn impressive. I say that because I want you to do the same. And I want you to know that success leaves clues. I've seen and trialed and trialed pretty much everything you can talk about when it comes to credit. Anything you can think about, I've seen it, heard it, done it, fixed it. Anything when it comes to finances, I've seen it, done it, heard it, fixed it. When it comes to business, solutions, I've seen it, heard it, done it, fixed it. So I've got the track record, and I'm going to show you guys in 1 hour exactly what we're doing, how we're doing it, step by step, but I need you to show up. Click the link below. Be one of the 7 people that makes it, guys. I'm telling you, this has been the most anticipated training of the year, and I want to see you. As soon as you see this video, click the link below, get it, get signed up. If it allows you to get in, that means you made it. If not, unfortunately, you waited too long. All right, and again, I can only have 500 people in this class because that's where I'm capped at as far as the amount of people that allow me. So get in as soon as you see this video. I love you guys. I want to share with you everything I know in a very short period of time, to take years off your time and do it in a very short period of time. You're talking an hour of training, guys. And if you can't be there Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for 1 hour, then you're not taking your credit and your finances seriously. And you can be the gazelle who runs away, and I'll be the beast who crushes you. I'll see you guys inside. Click the link below now to get in. Mike from The Credit Game. Give me a thumbs up. Share this with everybody, because if you share this, let them get in too. Okay? Thumbs up, share it, like it, and I'll see you guys Friday. Mike from The Credit Game.